Jiubang, Construction Machinery Equipment Company Limited, an advanced manufacturer of special-purpose vehicle industry in China. It is located in Jining City, Shandong Province, covering an area of approximately 44,000 square meters, with more than 238 employees, excellent production environment, and a modern office environment. Jiubang has absorbed and trained a large number of high-level professionals. It has successfully established a research and development center and an operations center to improve and screen the existing product manufacturing process and supporting parts, develop and design new products, and establish online and offline service network, and strive to provide global customers with sophisticated equipment and quality services. Jiubang has 5 internationally advanced truck-mounted aerial work platform assembly lines, 3 new energy aerial work platform production lines, 2 mixed assembly lines, 2 lifting machinery production lines, 2 laser leveling machine production lines, fully automated welding lines and spraying production lines, and has 5 laser digital cutting machines, 4 large CNC bending machines, a number of CNC boring and milling machines, and other types of international advanced ultra-high precision CNC processing equipment. From excellence to quality assurance is the firm commitment of Jiubang to customers to ensure the reliability and safety of products. Jiubang has a scientific and rigorous testing process and quality inspection process, strict guarantee of product quality. With persistent craftsmanship, Jiubang will rise in China and stand tall in the world.
Jiubang is a wise and better choice. Collaboration together with me actually you can earn lots of money and helps a lot. Better service, better price, and good quality is waiting for you. Jiubang, come here, my friends.